program is designed not only for doctors and dentists, but anyone involved in the health, fitness and therapy arenas. Personal trainers, physiotherapists, reflexologists, nutritionists and chiropractors, the list is endless. It also looks after supplying things to the public. On opening the program, you get all the outstanding reminders coming up. These can include appointments, birthdays, important telephone and email sendings, things to do, and other annual reminders like your car insurance. The main parts of the program are the address book, the appointments page, and the stock sales. You can open any program from the menu or by using the ribbon at the top of the page, which has two sections, one for consultancy and the other for support and reminders. The menu itself has the email reminders for people visiting you, which can be set out in the settings menu, where you can set out the selected group and communicate with the selected person by email. The category function selects a category of people, where you can copy the address to a letter, print an envelope, see the address, etc., where you can also leave a note for the address book or telephone the number, email, or go to the website. The whole selected report can be printed out with addressees. You can also enter and open as many websites as you like, and then double-click the one you want. The address book. If you have your information anywhere else on your computer, you can insert it using our free easy data entry program. Here you can select any person or company you want and see their address, telephone, email and website, which you can use, and also see past appointment and details of their recent treatment. You have 5 entries you can name yourself and use, i.e. height, weight, colour, etc. You can search your address book by address or telephone number and record their VAT number. You can also see the details of 2 extra people if you want to talk to without going to their entry. You can open and start a letter for the person, do envelopes and labels, and you can add them to a list. People can have more than one address, and you can copy an address from one person to another. Appointments. This is where you book and see your clients. They are usually selected for the person selected in the settings menu, but another person can be selected from the address book. There is also a calendar, and future birthdays are shown and can be printed out. You can charge by a fixed rate or a timed one, and you can invoice for treatment or an appointment. You can select a start and end time and enter the name of the client, the details of the appointment, and the appointment cost. The amount invoiced is calculated on the charging method but can be changed. The notes can be entered and the invoice created by ticking the box. The treatment consists of your notes, up to 3 pictures or X-rays, and attachments from your computer, which can also be records or pictures or scans. These noted can also be seen in the address book. You can see the client details for anyone and print out appointments and birthdays. You can also see the 7-day planner from here, which allows you to plan the week for everyone or just someone. Products. If you sell products, this program will help you by holding them all in one place, showing the supplier, double-click to see his details, quantity, purchase and sale price, total in stock, reorder level, reorder number, and on order. Product orders. These can be entered by low stock or by selecting products to order. VAT can be entered automatically, and the order can be emailed or posted. Received goods. These can be entered on the date by clicking OK for everything, double-clicking the received field to enter the number, or using the multiplier when one item results in multiple receipts. You can also cancel the order or place the order for it with someone else. Product sales. This allows you to select a client, add the details of what they have ordered, and then you can just click the tab at the end and you have invoiced the item to the person selected. Invoices. These either are produced from the product sales or from the invoice button. Clients can be added, email address entered if available, items and number can be selected, and VAT entered if required. Notes can be added, and an invoice can be emailed if available or sent by post. Stock take. This can be done in various ways, by finding your stock and then adding the figures found to the stock take file and automatically updating the item. Reports. There are 37 reports, including those for the asset management and one for estimating your VAT return on the basis of your business. Date lists. You can have as many lists for communication as you want. Select the names for the list or copy them from another list. Print or don't print certain entries. Do envelopes, labels, mail merge, review list, and see details of people on the list. Email lists. This is basically the same as the date list without the mail merge. Depending on your computer, you can do about 35 to 40 emails at any one time. Things to do. This has two functions. If you want to do a note to yourself, you can be reminded of it when the program opens by ticking the warning button. Also, if you want to do lists of exercises for people, you can print that out too and use it. Asset management. Now, I don't want you to lose your assets. This allows you to list everything for the address selected in the settings menu, which can be changed at any time. You have a table of locations and categories at the top. You can record the item, location, category, purchase date serial number, cost, value, owner and description. All the details can be printed out in the reports menu, and in the event of theft you can mark them and you have a list for your insurers and the police. This is a great program to help all the people who help others, and we hope you enjoy the parts that can help you.